Good evening. Let us start the class. In continuation with the previous classes, this class I'm going to start a new chapter called Theory of Firm. This theory of firm is a very important chapter as far as the managerial economics is concerned. Why? Because a list of theories are available for the purpose of taking a decision in a business. Suppose if you want to take an effective decision, first you should know what type of business you are doing and what will be your demand and how to meet the demand with your supply and what will be the cost estimation and how to frame the cost budget. Based on the cost budget, how we have to frame the production planning and how that production schedule should be framed. Based on that, what are the theories available in that? Then once you produce, how you have to price that product. Further, what are the strategies and methods we are going to use? Finally, when you market, that influence once again it will start from the demand, the cost, production. Once again, it's a viscous circle. So what people try to do is, instead of keep on analyzing in different contexts, why don't we make some model? Based on that model, it is easy to take a decision. So manage economics adopt a concept called theory of firm. This particular theory of firm actually divided into two categories. One is called optimizing theories. The another one is non-optimizing theories. Optimizing means either we have to maximize or to minimize. Maximize means how we have to maximize the profit, how we have to maximize the sales, how we have to maximize the labor productivity, how we have to maximize the production capacity. So these are all the maximization sides. Then what will be minimization side? How we have to reduce the cost, how to minimize the cost, how to minimize the labor hours, how to minimize mission hours, how to reduce the project value. All these things it is minimizing. So the decision is based on either maximization or minimization. So that is why we are using a technical term called optimization. Optimization, it may be either maximization or minimization. There are some theories which is not coming under maximization or minimization. It is non-optimizing theories. It is related with level of satisfaction or market survival or market leadership and how to make product differentiation, how we have to do innovation, how we are spending with research and development. So these things are not optimizing the area because we are not concentrating on profit or sales or minimizing the cost. It is entirely different. Once you want to survive in the market, you want to become an empire of that particular area, then we have to go for the non-optimizing theories. Our syllabus covers only the optimizing theories, that too the economic theories only. But actually, I will let you know I will share this particular thing. The theory of firm is divided into two categories. One is optimizing theory and non-optimizing theory. This optimizing theory further divided into economic theory of firm and behavior theory of firm. Our syllabus covers only the economic theory of firm. One is profit maximization model. Second one is sales maximization model. There are many other theories are available, but our syllabus is not covering that because it is related with the microeconomics and it is with the macroeconomics. But our syllabus is managerial, so we have included only the economic theory of firm, the two models only. Then for your sake, I am continuing with that. Behavior theory of firm, there are two important theory. One is called Simon's theory. Simon's theory is with how we have to satisfy the customer. Based on the behavior of the customer, how we have to do the business. That is the most important theory, but we are not included that. Another theory called Seat and Marx behavior model. Not only the customer, but also how the businessman behavior, make him more success, how he is taking a decision, how he is forced to take a decision, or how tactfully he is handling the risk and uncertainty. So all these things have been explained in the shared March model. Apart from these two, there are some non-optimizing theories which are categorized as manager theory of firm. There are 78 theories. The most important theories are Williamson model and Morris model. Why in Williamson model they have included all factors of production, how to handle the factors of production. For that they are given some derivation. That is called Williamson model. Another one is Murray's model. Murray's model means instead of concentrating factors of production, land, labor, capital, organization, we come to the operation management like agriculture sector, industry sector, and the service sector. How how the economy have to improve these sectors using that factors of production. That is Morris model. So, in this particular thing, what we are going to discuss in Unit 5 is the theory of firm. First, under that, only the classification of theory of firm. There are two theories: optimizing theory, non-optimizing theory. Under that, under optimizing theory, there are four theories which are categorized into two. One is economic theory of firm and behavior theory of firm. In economic theory of firm, there are two models: profit model and sales model. That's what the syllabus covers. In the next class, I'm going to continue this profit maximization model. Apart from this, there are four more theories are there. They are coming under behavior theory and manager theory. Simon model, Seat model coming under behavior theory, and Williamson model and Morris model is manager. Suppose if they ask in section B question, explain the concept theory of firm, how it has been classified. If that is a question, then you should write any firm start with the profit maximization only. Apart from profit, there are many other factors which influence like sales, revenue, cost, productivity. So all these things should be optimized. For that, there are different theories. So the theory of firm is classified into two categories, and optimizing are further divided into two. And economic theory have two model, behavior theory have two model, and manager economic theory have two model. And draw this particular hierarchy, the answer will do. So you can secure all 8 marks. Now I am going to continue the profit maximization model. Shall we continue? I'm stopping this sharing. I will share the profit maximization model. Whether my screen is visible?
Yes, yes.
Now I'm going to start the profit maximization model. This profit maximization model is nothing but how we have to increase the gap between the revenue and the cost. Why we have to increase the gap between revenue and the cost means the difference between the total revenue and the total cost is nothing but the profit. If these two factors are having a maximum distance, then the profit is maximized. I hope you understand. Profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. So the difference between the total revenue and total cost is profit. So we have to increase the total revenue and we have to decrease the total cost. When these two are made, then the profit is maximum. For any business, they want to know at what output level the difference between TR and TC is maximum. Every firm want to know that, but it needs some scientific methods. So this particular profit maximization model is a scientific method which will help the firm to understand what will be the maximum profit, at what level of output the profit is maximum. So initially they have given the difference between TR and TC is the actual key for the profit maximization. But while drawing the TR and TC, physically it's not possible to measure because n number of costs we are incurring, and there are different revenue avenues. So it's very difficult to understand at what level of output this TR and TC have maximum difference. So this particular model is using a profit maximization model using marginal approach. What is marginal approach? There are two conditions that we have to fulfill. One is the marginal cost must be equal to marginal revenue, and second condition is the marginal cost should intersect from marginal cost should intersect marginal revenue from below. I think these two conditions already studied in the market structure. Now we are going to prove that. So for that, we have to draw two diagrams. The first diagram, the total revenue and total cost we have to draw. That the total revenue is nothing but our law of variable proportion. There is one TP line. That particular line is total revenue. Price into quantity. So the shape of the curve, actually, some books it is a 45-degree line, but actually the curve will be like that because of the product life cycle. So TR we have to draw. Then adding the fixed cost and variable cost, we have to combine and we get the total cost curve. It is studied in the cost output relation in unit 3. Both the theories I have already taught to. So these two curves, when we draw in a graph, you can see at particular level A, B is maximum. A is the a point in the TR, B is point in the TC. At that OIM level of output, this is maximum. How to find this particular OIM level? For that, we are using the marginal approach. This marginal approach is following monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition in the sense large number of buyers with many sellers. The revenue curve is sloping downwards, AR and MR. The MR will lie below the AR. You can see figure 2. The cost is an increasing cost function. So AC is sloping upwards. Above the AC, MC will be there. Because of that only, there is an increasing cost function. So what is the condition? MC should intersect MR from below. At the point E, MC is intersecting MR from below. So if you draw one perpendicular line, then there will be one particular one that is called OM level of output. At that OM level of output, if you blindly follow, definitely the difference between TR and the TC will be maximum. It is true. It is scientific. No doubt. Why? Because it is proved one. You may think how it is possible, but it is possible. If you want, I can make one case study with any particular company and we will measure with the most of the companies, limited companies is using this particular approach and they prove that this level of output will give maximum profit. This is a confirmed question in your question paper. So it's very easy to explain. First, you should say what is profit, TR minus TC. When it will be maximum, the difference between TR TC is to be maximum. How to get that output level? For that, first you should draw the first diagram, TC and TR. This volume level may be the maximum profit the firm can attain at volume level of output. This volume level of output, how we can get? For that, we are using the marginal approach. For that, we are drawing 4 lines. 4 lines are average revenue curve, marginal revenue curve for revenue side, and average cost curve and margin cost curve for the cost side. When we draw, cost is a increasing cost function, revenue is a decreasing revenue function. When we make it, the MC is intersecting MR from below. At that point, if you draw a perpendicular line, that OM level is confirmed profit maximization output. With this, I'm completing this particular class. I will continue after 10 or 15 minutes. Have a break. In the next class, I'm going to take sales maximization model. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
No, no.
Okay. Shall we continue after 10 or 15 minutes? After 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. It
Yes,
is
yes.
1835. So we'll meet by 1845. Bye.
Okay, okay. Bye.
Let me have a
Timing,
coffee
Professor.
and I'll come. You too.
The timing.
6:45.
Okay, sir.